Alright, hi guys. Today I just want to bring you another update of my DIY koi pond. Uh, well, first of all, just want to update the status of my new koi. They are really fitting in within the gang right now, and you can see them all, 5 of them, swimming together in a group. So there's one right there. Yeah, and 2 right down by the water lily bucket. And 3 and 4 right here. And the 5th one would be over there. Oh, they are getting a bit bigger now, especially the orange and black one that right there. Yeah. Where did they all find together in one group right there? That's right down there. Yeah, they're all happy together with the gang. And they're well fed and healthy, I believe. And also today, I want to show you that I'm trying out a new type of food today. Well, a few weeks ago I tried the Japanese food there. What's the name again? Hikari. What is it? Hikari stable. Well, in the main purpose of trying to keep the cost low for operating this pond, so I'm going to try out this new Canadian made floating koi food, and it's like 4 times cheaper than Hikari. Yeah, the other one I bought like 25 bucks Guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.